Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Leela. Today we are going to study one of the most important systems of the human body, the human cardiovascular system. The word cardiovascular is made up of two words. Cardio means heart, vascular means blood vessels. The cardiovascular system is also called the circulatory system because it circulates blood continuously from the heart to the body and back to the heart. The main functions of cardiovascular system are to supply oxygen and nutrients to all body cells, to remove carbon dioxide and waste products. The main functions of the cardiovascular system are: first one, to supply oxygen and nutrients to all body cells. Second point, to remove carbon dioxide and waste products. Third one, to transport hormones to different organs. Fourth, to help regulate body temperature. Fifth, to protect body by transporting white blood cells and antibodies that fight infections. The cardiovascular system consists of three main components. First one, heart. Second one, blood vessels. Third one, blood. First, we will study about the heart. Heart is a hollow muscular organ. Inside the heart, some gap or space is there. That's why it is called as a hollow. That acts as a powerful pump. It continuously pumps blood throughout the body, supplying oxygen, nutrients to every cell while removing carbon dioxide and waste products. Now we will see location of the heart. The heart is situated in the mediastinum, middle compartment of the thoracic cavity. This is thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity also called as chest cavity. It lies behind the sternum and between two lungs. Sternum is nothing but bony structure which located in thoracic cavity, midline. About 2/3 of heart lies to the left of the midline and 1/3 of the heart lies towards the right side of the midline. Now we will see about the size of the heart. Heart is about size of a clenched fist, that closed fist size. Now we will see the shape of the heart. Heart is conical in shape. It has broad base and pointed apex. That's why it is look like a conical shape. Conical nothing but cone shape. The base is directed upward and the apex is directed downward. The width of the heart is 9 cm, length 12 cm, thickness 6 cm and volume approximately 250 to 300 ml. Now we will see the appearance of the heart. The heart is a muscular, hollow, cone-shaped organ. So inside some gap or space is there. That's why it is called as hollow. The surface is smooth and covered by a double-layered membrane called pericardium. So heart completely enclosed with a sac-like double-layered membrane called pericardium. Heart is covered by fatty tissues. Around the heart, fatty tissues is present. It acts as a cushion protecting the heart from any outside pressure and injuries. Now we will see the weight of the heart. The average weight of the human heart is, in male adults, it is approximately 250 to 300 grams. In female adults, approximately 200 to 250 grams. The weight of the heart may vary with age, sex and body size. Now we will see internal structure of the heart. First we will see chambers of the heart. This is right atrium, this is right ventricle, this is left atrium, left ventricle. Now we will see heart valves. There are 4 types of valves are there. First one is tricuspid valve. It is located between right atrium and right ventricle. Next one is pulmonary valve. It is located in the opening of the pulmonary artery. It prevents backflow of blood into the right ventricle. Next one is mitral valve, located between left atrium and left ventricle. It prevents backflow of blood into the left atrium. Next one is aortic valve. It is located at the opening of the aorta. It prevents backflow of blood into the left ventricle. Now we will see the septa of the heart. There are 2 types of septum. One is interatrial septum. It separates right and left atria. Next one is interventricular septum, which separates right and left ventricle. This septum prevents mixing of blood, impure blood and pure blood when heart is contracting. Now we will see the muscular structure of the heart. This is the cardiac tendinae, and this is attached to the valves, tricuspid valves and bicuspid valves. This is papillary muscles which is attaching to the cardiac tendinae. What these cardiac tendinae and papillary muscles will do is it will help the valves to open and close. Now we will see how blood is flowing through the heart. This is superior vena cava. It brings deoxygenated blood from upper parts of the body, that is the head, neck and shoulder, and pour into the right atrium. And this is inferior vena cava. It brings impure blood from lower parts of the body and pouring into the right atrium. When atrium contract, the blood which is present in the atrium, it will come into the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. From right ventricle, blood goes to the lungs through pulmonary artery. Now inside the lungs, gas exchange will take place. Whatever carbon dioxide is present in the blood goes to the lungs. Oxygen is present in the lungs, comes to the blood. Now blood got oxygenated. Now this blood goes to the left atrium through pulmonary veins. There are 4 pulmonary veins are present. 2 attached to the right lung, 2 attached to the left lung from the left atrium. When left atrium contracts, blood comes to the left ventricle through mitral valve. When ventricle contract, blood goes to the aorta. From aorta, blood goes to all parts of the body cells. Inside the cell, again gas exchange takes place. Whatever oxygen is present in the blood goes to the cell. Carbon dioxide present in the cell comes to the blood. Now blood got impaired. This impure blood again goes to the right atrium through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. This is complete one cycle. Heart is called double pump because in a single cycle, the right side of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs for purification, that is called as pulmonary circulation. Left side of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to all different organs of the body through aorta. This is called as systemic circulation. Now we will see the what is the pulmonary circulation detailing. Pulmonary circulation starts from right atrium. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body and pour into the right atrium. When right atrium contract, blood goes to the right ventricle through tricuspid valve, and when right ventricle contract, blood goes to the pulmonary artery. From pulmonary artery, blood goes to the lungs. Inside the lungs, purification will take place. That means gas exchange. Whatever carbon dioxide present in the blood goes to the lungs. Oxygen present in the lungs comes to the blood. Now blood got oxygenated. That blood comes to the left atrium. So up to this we can call it as pulmonary circulation. Now we will see systemic circulation. 4 pulmonary veins which brings pure blood from lungs to pour into the left atrium. When left atrium contract, blood comes to the left ventricle through this mitral valve. When left ventricle contract, blood goes to the aorta through that aortic valve. Through aorta, blood goes to all different organs of the body. Inside the cell, a gas exchange will take place. Whatever oxygen is present in the blood goes to the cells. Carbon dioxide present in the cells comes to the blood. Now blood got impaired. That impaired blood again goes to the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava. Up to this we can call it as systemic circulation. Okay, now we will see the conductive system of the heart. Components of conductive system we will see. Components of conductive system are SA node, AV node, AV bundle, right and left bundle branches, and Purkinje fibers. First we will see SA node. SA node, also called as sinoatrial node, located in the right atrium near the opening of the superior vena cava. It is called a natural pacemaker of the heart because SA node has some specialized cells which can able to generate the electrical impulses. That's why it is called as natural pacemaker of the heart. Next one is AV node. AV node, also called as atrioventricular node, located in the lower part of the right atrium near the interatrial septum. Next component is the bundle of His. This is located at interatrial septa. It passes from AV node through fibrous skeleton into the interventricular septum. Next one is right and left bundle branches. So look at this picture. This is the right bundle branch and this is left bundle branch. Okay, the AV bundle divides into right and left bundle branches which run along the interventricular septum towards the apex. This is the apex. This part we can call it as apex. It runs towards the apex. Next one is Purkinje fibers, a network of fibers that spread throughout the ventricular walls. They distribute impulses to all parts of the ventricles and causing ventricular contraction. Now we will see the pathway of electrical impulses. SA node generates the electrical impulses. That impulses spread across both atria causing atrial contraction. Impulses reaches the AV node and AV node delays and hold for 0.1 second. Now impulses from AV node goes to bundle of E's. From there it goes to right and left bundle branches. Now from bundle branches, impulses goes to the Purkinje fibers and spread across the ventricles, and now ventricle contraction takes place.